Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a bit of an experiment. So remember how I installed the Windows 95 installer to like the virtual drive, like the virtual hard disk, and then I ran the installer and was able to install Windows. So what I'm thinking is we do the same thing but for Windows 10. Okay, so how is this going to work? Basically, I'll show you, hopefully. That's the best way to just name something and get it over with if you can't decide. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go here, and we're going to go to this. Okay. Then we will add another CD drive, and we'll put the Windows 10 installer on here. Okay, so once we do that, we'll power it on. Is this Hiren's boot or no? I don't think this is Hiren's boot. Okay, which one is Hiren's boot? I guess we'll find out which one is Hiren's boot or not. And no, it was the other one. Yeah, it was the other one. Okay, let's reboot. Okay, I'm back. So all I've done is I've just booted up the CD, Hiren's boot CD, and I just created a partition on the C drive. Actually, what I should have done is I should also make a boot partition. So we're going to do that really quickly. 512. I don't really know how much the EFI needs. We have to make sure this is FAT32. Alright, so now basically the plan is to get this and copy all of these over to the C drive. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to copy it over. Then once it's done, oh, that's like being very fast. Once it's done copying, basically the plan is to reboot, and hopefully I don't need the CD at all, and we can just install Windows 10 on top of the Windows 10 installer. That's kind of what we did for Windows 95, but now we're gonna do it in Windows 10. Also, I just found out a new video idea, so let me just show you real quick. Okay, I'm back. So this command over here, if I were to launch it, you can see that it launches VMware in like a separate window. As you can see, I can Control Alt out of here, but as you can see, there's no like control panel thingy. it's just my virtual machine. So technically you could create a sandbox machine just by creating a Windows 10 virtual machine and making it so that when you boot the host system, it will launch the virtual machine. So that's kind of the next video idea. But as you can see, this has finished copying somehow. So now what we're going to do is we're going to eject all the drives, all the CDs, because we don't need them. Then we can just reboot. What happens next is unknown. I've never done. Oh, no compatible bootloader found. Okay, so we're probably going to have to fix that. I'm thinking we could use grub to boot into it. What if I use this? This is invalid file system mapping on BLK2. Oh, I see what we did wrong. We should have made. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I formatted the file system that the installer was on to NTFS. It should have been FAT32. So we're going to put this back. We're going to put this back if it decides to work. Okay, this might be a problem. Oh no. As I was saying, this might be a problem just because Windows can't be installed on FAT32, or at least it's not supposed to be installed on FAT32. So that might be a problem. Okay, I'm going to do some things and I'll be back. So we have a slight problem. The thing is, FAT32 does not support large files. So that means I can't transfer the install.wim file from here. Okay, if I were to copy, put it into here, it's too big for the destination file system. So what I need to do is maybe I can just extract the image that I need, because a WIM file stores like 5 editions of Windows or something. So hopefully I can do something. Okay, so basically what I did is I shrank the install.wim file. So now it's 2 smaller files. I did not think this would work, but it did. So that was pretty surprising. So now what we're going to do is we are going to do the same thing we did before, except hopefully it will actually work this time. Alright, let's see. Moment of truth. Oh. Okay, it found something. It didn't ask to boot from the, it didn't ask press any key to boot from CD. Probably because we are not booting from a CD, we're booting from the hard disk. Okay, now we have the installer. Does it detect the install.splitwim file? Yes, it does. Alrighty. That was actually unexpected. And this even works. That's even more surprising. Okay, so which one? This one. Yeah, reinstalling it on this one. Alrighty. Let's do this. That's not nice. Okay, let's delete. Let's also remove this. That's kinda weird. Okay, let's search up this error code. Okay. I'm searching it up right now. I think I put too many zeros. Okay, I'll be back, hopefully. Okay, so it just randomly decided to work. I have no idea what happened, but it's working now. At least, I think it's working. Okay, yeah, it's working. So, either by the time I finish talking, this will already be done, or I'll pause the video and I'll unpause it when it's actually finished. Okay, yeah, this is not finishing. I'll save you guys like 30 seconds of time. Okay, it finished. I think it's booting the installer again. I'm not sure, but I have to kind of figure out. Okay, no, it's booting the actual Windows 10 installation. That's good. Okay, so this should probably not take long, and it should hopefully, nothing wrong should happen. Hopefully. I mean, nothing wrong happened when we were doing Windows 95 installer on the C drive, as far as I can remember. But yeah, hopefully everything should be fine. And if it's not fine, then I'll probably fix it. Chances are, if something does happen and you're seeing this video, that means I fixed it. So that's good. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Shouldn't take that long. Alright. Goodbye. Okay, so as you can see, it's definitely doing something. I think it's putting it to the out of box experience right now. and it just froze. This is normal, right? It's fine. I'll pause it again. Okay, I think I just needed to click on it. Now it's working just fine. Just fine. Now we have some important setup to do. This is going to be great. Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Please don't turn off your device. So why would I do that? Why would I want to do that? It's still setting things up. I can tell. Oh, okay. I can tell that it's still setting things up because, oh, okay, we got through this part of setup. That's good. Good job, Windows. I was saying, oh, just a moment. Okay, there we go. This is hidden. I'm not sure, but I think in more recent versions of Windows, you can't. It's like hidden to not use a Microsoft account. Okay. And that's not it. That was usually the last step. And that's it. We have officially installed Windows 10 by running the installer off the main hard drive. I was kind of hoping to install it on the same partition as the installer, just to see what would happen, but like this is good enough, you know. Also, I'm not sure how to install Windows 10 on FAT32, so that's the other thing. I think it's possible. I'm pretty sure it's possible, but like I don't know how to do it. Anyways, I'll skip this part. Okay, so we have officially, let's see what files we have on here. Okay, so we have a D drive, which has the installer on it, which is also FAT32. Yeah. So that's cool. And we have our C drive, which is just, oh. What is this guy doing here? Interesting. Here's a little side quest that just popped out of nowhere. Hopefully we can still access this. What's the password for default user 0? I don't know. This normally shouldn't be possible. I don't know why it is happening, but it's happening. And we have 2 less checkboxes. And we are officially running as default user 0. Interesting. I've never seen that before. But anyways, there's like nothing special about this. At least, nothing I can see just clearly right over here. So this is probably where I'll end the video off. So if you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like, and that's pretty much it. Bye.